All right, folks, there you go. Whitestone dome installed on the brand new Galaxy S9. Haven't even powered this phone on yet. Straight to the Whitestone dome because it's a must. So just want to do a quick video. People always ask, what's the best tempered glass? What's the one I should get? And I'm going to always tell them from here on out, the Whitestone dome. This thing is just the best experience. Some people have problems installing the Whitestone dome. It can be tricky. You've definitely got to take your time and get it right, because once you put that UV light on there, it's a wrap. Wherever the position is, you can try to take it off and redo it, but it just won't be the same. So you got to be careful when you're doing the install, and you will get a perfect installation like this. So it's your man Jay Will. Quick video, Whitestone dome, Galaxy S9. It is here. Take care.